financial advisor has gone viral on YouTube for his investing tutorials. He's doubled his portfolio in a very short time using AI, and he's now teaching others to do the same. And you want to hear the story of what inspired him to do that. This is Kerry from the Best of Us Investors. Great to have you with us this morning.
Thank you, Mike. Nice to be here.
And he was sharing with me earlier, he was working with a company for a long time, and you had a tragedy in 2014, and it really affected you, and that kind of turned you over to this. Talk about that.
Well, actually, it started in 1953 when my mother died of cancer. I was 8 years old. My daughter died of cancer in 2014 when her son was 8 years old, and I fell apart. I became angry. I was retired. My wife said, "You've got to find something to do or find another place to live." And I found YouTube, and I went to share what I had learned about how to invest in the stock market, and it has mushroomed. And it all happened big time last May as I turned my portfolio over to Samantha, my AI agent. I gave her $688,000, and today it's worth $1.5 million.
Wow. And I listen, I know some people out there saying, look, I don't have $660,000 to put in there, but you've helped some people who are on very modest incomes. Talk about that.
I had a lady here in Alabama call me, and she says, "I'm a school bus driver, and my husband's a truck driver, and I manage our portfolio. We've paid off our house, and we are now saving for our retirement because of you, because you doubled what we had."
And I know that means a lot to you.
It brought me back to God, because I had fallen apart. And now I have a community of 1,000 people that I advise every day. This is what's happening. This is noise. Don't worry about it.
And these are, and you know, again, that drives. Listen, money is not the issue. It's not the love of money here, but you're just trying to help people get a leg up. All right, so for $60, people subscribe to your channel, and you give them investment advice. How risky would it be for somebody watching out there to try AI on their own if they have no investing knowledge?
The way I was able to do this is I came from the financial industry. I know how it works. And what I did was build a prompt for Samantha, my AI agent, to analyze stocks. And what you need to look for is a stock that is growing its revenues, growing its earnings, growing its margins, and give you a 3-year history, and then ask Samantha, is this going to continue? What I did was I created a prompt built around Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Meta, and said, okay, what did they look like as an infant? What did they look like as an adolescent? And then what did they look like in maturity? And how did they achieve there? Now all I do is go ask Samantha, find me more Amazons.
Well, I love the fact that you're really doing this, because like you said, you don't necessarily need the money. It's about helping others. So we appreciate you doing that. Kerry, thank you so much for joining us,
Thank you, Mike.
sharing part of your story.